I'm going to show you how to use a free template on Notion to make a calendar to keep track of all of your school assignments. That'll end up looking like this. So to start, you're going to go to the dashboard on the left of the page and you're going to click the Create a New Page button. And on the bottom there's a button that should say Templates, and you're going to click that, and you're going to go into the search bar and search for course schedule. And it should be the first thing that comes up. It should look just like this, created by Notion and totally free. So just click the add button and it might take a second to load in, but when it's finished you should see it where the rest of your pages are on the side dashboard here. It'll be called course schedule, and this is what the front page should look like. And I'm going to be focusing on the calendar view, so just click calendar. It should be all the way on the right where all the different views are. And for now you can go ahead and delete the other views. I'm also going to be adding another view later on, but for now I just want to focus on everything through the calendar view. So to actually add assignments onto your calendar, go to one date and click the add an item button. That should be a plus sign. Where it says new page at the top is where you're going to write in the name of your assignment. Underneath that, where it says date, you can put in the due date. And then underneath that it says type, which is of course the type of assignment, and they have a couple ones already here. If you just want to use those three, if those are the only types of assignments you have, you can go ahead and do that. But if you have other ones, you can just start typing and you can create a new type underneath. And the last part that you should fill out is where it says topic, which they also have different topics pre-made here, but the chances that these are all the topics that you'll have are pretty slim, so you can go ahead and delete each one of those. And then go ahead and just type in the topics or the classes that you have, and you can also edit the colors of these by clicking the three dots on the side the same way you deleted the old ones. And then one last thing, if you want to add any more notes, you can add it on the bottom there, but I usually don't do this. And now your assignment is good to go, so just click outside and it'll save, and then you can add as many more as you'd like to. Something I like to do to stay on top of work that I've completed and work I still need to complete is after I've finished an assignment, I click on the assignment to edit it, and I click the add icon button up here. And you could do whatever icon you like, of course. I just opt for a simple check mark. So then after you apply this icon to it, it's very visible to see which things you've done and what you still need to complete. Also on the top here, there's an option to add a cover, and then Notion supplies lots of different images to use here. I like to do this, it just keeps it kind of pretty. And then the last thing that I'm going to do is add another view, kind of like the calendar, but a way that's accessible if you're going to look on a mobile device. So if you have the Notion app on your phone, just click the plus sign and click the board type of view right here. So I'm just going to call this board. Obviously you can call it whatever you want, and the only thing you're going to change is where it says group by. You're not going to group it by type, you're going to group it by date. This is so they will show up in sections of 1 week. So as you can see on the left here where it says tomorrow, that'll show the assignments you have due this week, and then the assignments that you have due in the future will show up after that. You will have to manually press hide group after each week is over, which you just do with the 3 buttons as I just did. But now you have 2 views, one view for on a computer and another view for if you want to look on a phone.